Welcome to year 4 again, to Tuesday's Maths, and again we are looking at equivalent fractions. So as usual, there's a question for you to have a go at first on the board, on the slide. Have a go, pause the video, and then we'll come back to it afterwards. Okay, so you should have had a go at this question. Now let's read it through. Edward has a pie, which he has cut up into 8 equal slices. Charlie has a pie, which is the same size, but he has cut it into 4 equal slices. They both ate 3 slices of their own pie. Who ate the most? Prove it. Okay. It then has a second question. What fraction of each would they have to eat for them to have eaten the same amount? So we'll do the first part first. And again, the best way with fractions is to actually draw out what it is you're doing. Okay. So I'm going to draw 2 pies, the same size, okay? And if we have a look at Edward's pie, he's cut it into 8 equal slices. So I need to make sure, and mine aren't going to be very equal because I'm drawing them on freehand, but you will be able to use your ruler to represent it. Okay, so I think I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. And Charlie cut his into 4 pieces. So we'll cut Charlie's into 4. There we go. And it says they both ate 3 slices of their pie. So let's put marks in 3 slices. Oops. 3 slices of Edward's pie and 3 slices of Charlie's pie. Have they eaten the same amount? Well, if I compare what's left, I've got 1/4 here. Now, if I look at 1/4 here, I've got that and more left. So in actual fact, we can definitely say for absolute definite, Charlie has eaten the most pie. So if we wanted them to both eat the same amount of pie, how many more eighths has Edward got to eat? So we need to get it to 3/4. He's got to eat this one, and this one. So it works out that he's actually got to eat 3/8 more of the pie. Okay. And once again, it's really clear that drawing out fractions helps you to see what's happening. So we want you to write a definition for what you believe an equivalent fraction is. Remember what we found out yesterday and see if you can write it in your own words. So pause the video and have a go. Okay, so hopefully you will come up with something along the lines that equivalent fractions are fractions that have different numerators and different denominators, but when you use them, they represent the same amount, like halves and 2/4. So this is what we want you to go on to next. It says, using the diagram, complete the equivalent fractions. Okay, so the diagram is divided up into, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces. So we've got 12 at the bottom in our denominators in these. Okay, and it's asking you how many 12ths 1/4 would be. So you've got to find 1/4 of this, which would mean breaking it into half and then half again. Then it's asking you what 6/12 is equivalent to, what 2/3 of it would be equivalent to, and what 5/12 of it would be equivalent to in 24ths. Don't forget, use your fraction rule to help you as well. And the other questions are very similar. Okay, and then we'll move on to something slightly different tomorrow. Good luck, guys.